just received your brand new Feiyu-tech Ricca action camera and you've turned it on for the first time, but up comes the menus in Chinese. You want to know how to get to the menus in English, and I'm going to show you in this video. On the right hand side at the bottom you can see a little circle, so touch that with your finger and this brings you to a little section where there's 3 rings, and we want to scroll right to the very bottom first of all, just so that we know where we are. So that's the very start. This actually resets the camera if you press this section here at the bottom, but we're not going to do that right now. We're going to move up 8 sections from here. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That takes us to this sub-menu, and we want to press this section here. That takes us to this window, and the next one we want to press is the one below the blue highlighted one. And there you go, it gives you English, and we want that, so we now press the little tick button, and that has saved that in English, because if I now switch off the camera by pressing the power button at the top, that's switched off. I now power it back up again, and the menus come up, and you'll see it's now in English. That is how you change from Chinese into English with the Feiyu-tech Ricca action camera.